Hello, hello. So today we're going to be doing an odds and empties. I have a lot of trash here. So before we get into it, make sure you're subscribed before you leave and to give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out. And then you can follow me on my makeup related Instagram. All that stuff is always down below. Let's dive right in. The first thing in the odds and empties is this makeup wipe pack. So I got this in like BoxyCharm, I think, last month or a month before. I went through these very quickly. I don't typically use makeup wipes, but I use them for like swatches or, you know, if you get product on your hand, that kind of thing. So these were the Evio Skin and Aurora Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. I don't think they were like terrible. I probably would never repurchase these though. I don't even know where to find them. So next I finished this deodorant. It's the Degree Motion Sense. I like this deodorant. I did a whole video on like natural deodorants, or like I was trying 3 different natural deodorants out. The one I'm using and the one I love is the Schmidt's Charcoal and Magnesium. It's really good. I really like that one. But yeah, this one's good too. I probably would continue to repurchase this, but I do like the Schmidt, so I'm probably going to stick more to that than Degree. I finished a Brazilian Bum Bum Cream by Sol de Janeiro, and it smells really good. This is not my favorite moisturizer. I think that it smells good. It does the job for a little bit, but it's not a long-lasting moisturizer. It's not one that you could wash your hands and still have some moisture retained on your skin, that kind of thing, which I think is important. But I don't hate it. I just don't know if I would go out and like necessarily repurchase it. Maybe if it was like, I have hair, it just like won't go away. I'm wearing lip gloss, so it's all sticking to my lip gloss. I just think that if it was like a gift with purchase, that kind of thing, I wouldn't be opposed to having it again in my collection. I think I have another one actually. It's just like not my favorite because it's not super moisturizing. I don't know. I don't really know what the hype is about. I know that it smells good, but it just doesn't last that long. Alright, I finished the Marc Anthony True Professional Nourishing Argan Oil of Morocco Extra Hydrating Shampoo and Conditioner. This is with keratin, which is supposed to be like a straightening component, which I don't need. I have naturally very straight hair. But this was sent to me by Marc Anthony, and I just love this. I put it in, I did like a quick review of my favorites in another video, and I really like this. And I said in that video that the reason I liked it was because it didn't clog my drain, which is like a weird reason to like a product, but after using this, like my drain has not had any issues, and that's such a weird reason, but that's one of the reasons I love it. I think it did really well to my hair. Like I just think it was clean and nourished and all that. I really like this. I'd probably repurchase this. I finished this Pixi Skin Treats Vitamin C Juice Cleanser. This was also sent to me in PR, and it's such a weird like setup. So like you push this down and then product comes out from the bottom. I kind of use this, if this was a nice product to have. So in the mornings, if I like wasn't going to shower and maybe I didn't have time to like do a full-on face wash, I would use this, and it's like a leave-on face wash kind of. So you rub it with a cotton pad all over your face and you're good to go. So I really like this. I don't know if I would repurchase it right away, but I did like having this in my like morning skincare routine. I finished the Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream by Fresh. I liked this. It was just like a little sample. It was super hydrating. I would probably repurchase this again, although I do like some other cheaper face creams right now, like the Pixi Rose Ceramide Cream. I love that one. Yeah, I don't know if I would repurchase it right away, but I did like having this. I used it. It was definitely very hydrating. I like the smell. It smells like roses. If you don't like roses, you wouldn't like this, but I liked it. I finished 2 more Marc Anthony products. So the one is the Grow Long Leave-In Conditioner, and then the second one is the Grow Long Anti-Breakage Mask. So I liked both of these. I pretty much like all of Marc Anthony's products. I don't know, I don't think these were sent to me. But yeah, I like all of their stuff. You know, it does the job. This one detangles, the leave-in mask, or the leave-in conditioner detangles, and this one is supposed to be like anti-breakage. Obviously it like strengthens and protects. I definitely think that this detangled my hair. In the mornings I would use it after a shower when I had longer hair. Now I don't really need it as much because I like had cut all my hair and it's not getting tangled yet. But the anti-breakage mask, I don't know if it really helped with breakage, but I kind of use these in the same format to like use as like a detangler, if you will. I finished another mask, a hair mask. This is the Verb Manage and Restore Hydrating Mask. This was okay. I don't really have a great opinion on it. It was just like a sample. I used it when I remembered to use it in the shower. The rest of it that's in here is like dry. I couldn't use the rest. There's like a little bit on the side, but I mean, it was good. I don't know if I'd run out and repurchase it right now, but it was good. I also finished the Amika Perk Up Dry Shampoo. I don't know that this really stood out to me either. It's kind of like a okay product. I think it smelled good. Yeah, it's very, very perfumed, which I'm not a huge fan of that, but it smells good. It's just perfumed. So yeah, I probably wouldn't repurchase this right away. My favorite dry shampoo is the Batiste dry shampoo. It's the original. I always get the big guy. I get it at Marshall's. It works really well. So yeah, I'm probably just going to stick with this. Another dry shampoo that I finished was the Aussie Total Miracle Collection 7-in-1 Dry Shampoo. This didn't do it for me either. This one smells good and I like this smell better than this one, but it didn't do it. I have really oily hair. I need a dry shampoo that actually removes the oils. This didn't. So yeah. Another skincare product, I finished the Monmond. I don't know how you say that, but it's like a toner, a rose water toner. So I liked this a lot. I think that it really did make a difference on my skin. I liked having it in my skincare routine. Yeah, that's really all I have to say about it. Another mask I finished. This is the Trisola. I'm not sure how you say that. I think I got this in like an Ipsy or BoxyCharm or something, but it's a hair mask. It's an intense hydrating mask. Again, I don't really have much of an opinion on it. I think hair masks, like, they all do the same thing. You know what I mean? So it was good. I used it up. Would I go repurchase right away? No. Another hair product. This is like the time for hair products apparently. So I finished my little sample of the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair. This I do like. I have repurchased this, or I've got like, this is a weird product because it always like is in my collection, but I never actually buy it. It'll come in BoxyCharm or like as a sample from a Sephora order or whatever it is. Like I always somehow have this in my collection, but I do like it. I definitely liked it when I had longer hair. Definitely helped with detangling, and that's my big problem when I have long hair is like it gets really tangled because I don't cut my hair often enough. But yeah, I do like this. I will continue to have this in my collection somehow because somehow I always have it. I finished a moisturizer. This is the Ofra Advanced Vitamin C Cream. I had left this like on my desk and I was using it pretty much daily at work. I do like this. Again, I don't think it like lasts through washing of your hands, but I did think that this was more hydrating than the Sol de Janeiro one. So I probably want to go out and purchase this. It wasn't that amazing, but it was good and I used it obviously. And then the last thing, I finished the Laneige Water Bank Moisture Cream. This was just a moisturizer for your face. I used it on my face and I thought it went really well. I thought it was good. I probably wouldn't go out and buy it. I have other moisturizers, Pixie Rose Ceramide Cream, but it was good. If I was in a pinch and the only moisturizer they had was Laneige, I'd probably go get it. And then last, so what happened was this Super Shock Shadow completely fell out of the casing, so I didn't finish it, but it was so dry that I needed to, it got tossed by accident. So this is the Truth Super Shock Shadow. I've had this for like 4 years or something, so it was time to go, but yeah, it just kind of fell out and I couldn't really control what happened after that. So that really concludes this video. I think I did a pretty good job. I finished like a lot of hair products, which is amazing, I think, because I don't know that I ever really finished hair products because I never really like style my hair. So yeah, so give this video a thumbs up if you like odds and empties where I go through my trash, and let me know any video suggestions down below. We are all like working from home, so I've gained 2 hours of my day where I'm not commuting, so I have more time to do stuff. So if you have any video suggestions, let me know. I hope you guys are all doing okay and, you know, staying calm through this entire situation. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!